What up, everybody? It's your favorite song and snack man, Mr. Victor DeVoe LeBeau, Mr. VDL Victor DeVoe LeBeau, coming at you with another banger. This banger is about that meat that we all have had. Some good, some bad, some indifferent, but we all have had it. This banger is about Spam, that special meat. And the name of this banger is entitled just that, Spam. What is that cheap, good meat? Spam. What is a family treat? Spam. Spam can almost go with anything. Spam and macaroni, spam and spaghetti, spam, egg and cheese. What does a family plead for? Spam. What is a good fried meat for? Spam. Spam is an incredible meat. Half pork, half beef. What does your family need? Spam. What is that super special meat? Spam. Spam, we love you, we know you and everything. So when you're in local supermarket and you're hungry, go to the meat aisle, pick up a special can. Yes, you can pick up a can of Spam. That was Spam. I know you're going to like this banger, so go ahead and smash that like button. Also, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Also, share this video. We all have had it, so share it. All right, everybody. Until next time, stay hungry and stay in love.